Hello,
Hello, teacher.
welcome to our speaking test for today. What's your name?
My name is Aim.
How do you spell your name? All right. How are you?
Happy.
How old are you?
I is
What's your favorite toy?
my favorite toy is teddy bear.
Do you like dog?
Yeah, I like dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
How many rooms are there in your house?
My room is a living room.
All right. How many rooms are there in your house? 5, 6, 4 rooms?
Six room.
All right. What's in your living room?
My favorite living room one TV, two sofa.
Okay. What can you do? Can you play the piano?
No.
How many girls are there? You have to look at here. How many girls are there?
And two girls.
What color is the bike? Is it red or blue?
It's red.
How many kites are there? Kites. How many kites are there?
And two cats.
Can you see the dog?
And one dog.
How many apples are there?
There are 5 apples.
Which is the plane? Put the plane on the sky.
D.
Yeah, put the plane on the sky. All right. Which is the snake? Put the snake on the tree. All right. What is this?
It's a garden.
Onion. What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable
Is it carrot, corn, broccoli?
apple.
All right. What is this?
It's a bed.
What's in the bedroom?
One bed and two clock.
Okay, that's the end of the test. Thank you. Goodbye.